Just gonna show you guys how I'm fixing this pair of Avid single digit tie brakes. I'm having a problem with this adjustment screw here. It had stripped out, so what I did was I got a donor, a pair of just Avid regular single digit brakes, and what I'm going to do, actually what I've already done, is just remove that piece right here and replace it onto my old set. So what you do is you start by knocking this cap out from the backside. It's in there with a little bit of tension. What I did was I drilled a hole in a piece of wood, stuck it down in there, and just popped an Allen wrench and knocked it with a hammer. So that's how I got the old cap off. Pops off. Got this piece. Now what I gotta do the same thing to my broken set of brakes. This might make might jolt the camera a bit. Okay, that was pretty easy. Alrighty, I got that cap off. Now this just slips out. Just gonna clean that up a little bit. Just gonna set this to the side. Here's my donor piece. So I took out the core from the old one. This was the core from my donor set, and I think that's where they put the tie in. I was told that there's only a few pieces that they replaced with titanium, but that one's filled with leather. I could be wrong. That pops in there. Put some tri-flow on there. Washer on that side. And that pops back in there. My set screw is now working. This little cap just pops back in, and I was told this goes in with just a little bit of pressure. I guess you could stick it back on your bike and squeeze it back on there with the bolt. Anyhow, looks like you can salvage these brakes pretty easy by swapping parts. Thanks for watching.